Okay, and here we are again live. There is a bit noise in the background. Let's see if this works out. Hello, welcome to JFall. Who are you and what brings you to this conference?
Hi, my name is Goubard. I'm living in the Netherlands, but I'm French. I've been programming in Java since 1995, so now 29 years ago I started with Java. Did a lot of client server, and more recently I'm developing a lot of fat clients, so with Java Swing desktop application.
I know you do a lot of promotion for your tools. You are one of the few UI developers using Java. Why do you use Java for this kind of applications?
Well, Java is great because then it works automatically on Linux, macOS, and Windows at the same time. It's a really good programming language, I think, also to program desktop applications. So, and with desktop application, I think sometimes you also have more power than developing with web. So that's why also I'm doing like something like this on desktop. Yeah.
So it's a message we clearly need to spread because Java is really good for desktop development.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I think it's also very good. You have JavaFX, you have Swing, you have SWT, you have a lot of toolkit to do it. So you can.
You're mainly using Swing, I think. Can you compare Swing to Java Fix and why one or the other would be better for what you are doing?
Yeah, so I started Swing in 1998, so I'm quite used to it now. Yeah, so you have look and feels compared to JavaFX, where it's more like CSS with JavaFX look and feels. Then Swing, you also have a lot of resources online for components that you have also now more also with JavaFX. So yeah, I'm also more used to it, and I think one of the advantages of Swing is that it's also included with standard Java release. So with JavaFX, you have more to integrate it, and then you have different things for macOS and for Linux and so on. So, but I'm used to Swing, so as there's nothing wrong with Swing, I'm still continuing with Swing. That's why.
Can you a bit promote your own product? So you have a lot of different applications. What are the most important or popular ones?
Yeah, so all my applications are free to download, and a lot of them are freeware. Some of them are free to try the rest. So go to japlis.com. So I have a file manager, also mostly for developers, with a lot of features like with integration with Git and things like this. I have also some image editor like decoration, pastel, poster fonts that you can also have very beautiful fonts to create logos and things like this. I have a text toolbox that's called a Japlis toolbox to do text manipulation that I often need to do, for example, checking regular expression, things like this as a developer. So for example, I've also written a plugin for IntelliJ, Eclipse, and NetBeans that basically will start your own application as an applet inside the IDE. So applets are used to work in browsers, so now they just start inside your IDE. So recently, for example, I integrated with JavaFX. So now if you have a JavaFX application, you can read it inside your IDE without doing too many changes. At least you don't need to change the code. You need to write like maybe an applet.html or GNLP file, and then it will start inside the IDE. And this can also work, of course, with Swing applications. And so all these kind of different tools. So.
Great. So is this your job? Are you also doing consultancy or programming for a company, or is this really your income comes from these applications?
So this is my full-time job at the moment because I've been doing freelance for quite a lot of years. And when I started, I decided to go for the Sonar for 2.5 years. It's my full-time job. Of course, I'm not earning a lot with them, but since I did quite a lot of freelance work, I can afford to work on to make sure that they have really good quality before I find a new assignment as a freelancer.
I find it very intriguing that you can indeed build a company as a single person. If you build a good product and you find a niche, something that people really need, that you can build a product. I have in the earlier podcast, I had Job Runner, I had Tamfold, which are becoming very big within Belgium, but also with very simple applications, because they have one specific task, like a file manager, you can indeed build a company out of that.
Yeah, absolutely. I think what you need to find is the correct concept that will really, because I really focus my software to be like productive for the people who are using it. So the goal is to make sure that your software will automate something that will make a company earn money, so that they can pay you a fraction of the money they're gonna earn using your software.
That's a good idea, and a good idea to end this interview. Thank you. Enjoy the conference.
Okay, thank you. Everybody enjoy also all the videos online.